Good morning, children. Yes, come on, tell me what you learned in the last class. Can you remember what you learned in grammar class? What you learned? ಗ್ರಾಮರ್ ತರಗತಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಕಳೆದ ಒಂದು ಅವಧಿಯಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್ ಇನ್ ದಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್? ಏನು ಕಲಿತಿದ್ದೀರಿ? ವಾಟ್ ಡಿಡ್ ಯು ಲರ್ನ್? Simple future and future continuous. Those sub tenses are completed in the last period. Is that right? Okay. So, did you complete the homework? What homework I gave you? Give an example, change into simple future and future continuous. Did you do it? Okay. So let us see next future perfect. What is future perfect? Then what is future perfect continuous? Let us see what is the difference between future perfect and future perfect continuous. So let us see first one future perfect. Now I am going to tell you what future perfect. So what is future perfect and what is the formula of future perfect? Let's see. Okay. So here look at the board. Don't write down. Okay. I will tell you. Future perfect. What is future perfect? So look at the board. When a tense is used to show that some action will be finished in future. See here. What is the definition is here? When a tense is used to show that some actions will be finished in future, that is called future perfect. ಅದೇನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಮುಂದಿನ ಒಂದು ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಭವಿಷ್ಯತ್ ಕಾಲದಲ್ಲಿ ಆ ಕ್ರಿಯೆ ಮುಗಿಯಲ್ಪಡುತ್ತದೆ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ. Is it understand? So let us see what is the formula. Subject, then shall or will, then have, then V3. See, what is the formula? What is the formula is here? Subject, shall or will, of course we have to use shall and will, then have extra word, then we have to write V3 because in any perfect tense, not continuous tense, any perfect tense you have to write V3. ಯಾವುದೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಪಾಸ್ಟ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಇರಲಿ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಇದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ನಾವು ಏನು ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಪ್ಪ ಅಂದರೆ ವಿ ಹ್ಯಾವ್ ಟು ಯೂಸ್ V3. V3 means past participle. Is it understand? Let us see the example. I shall have deleted my files. I shall have deleted my files. Okay, then he will have collected gold coins. He will have collected gold coins. Let's see example next. She will have danced very well. Then fourth example, look at the fourth example. We shall have Come, came, come. We shall have come here. Let us see one more example to the future perfect tense. Ramu will have. Ramu will have lunch. Learnt that topic. Learned that topic. So students, look at the examples. The definition is there. The formula, what is the formula here? Subject, shall or will, then have, then V3. According to formula, the examples are here. Just check it. I shall have deleted my files. Here deleted it is a V3. Deleted it, that is a V3. So tell me what is the V1 and V2 of deleted? Delete, deleted, deleted. Is it right? Okay. Here, look here. Delete, deleted, then deleted. Okay. Deleted, deleted, deleted. So let us see the second example. He will have collected. He will have collected. So collected, that is the V3. So now you tell me what is the V1 and V2 of collected? Collect, collected, collected. Collect, collected. It is also collected. You understand? What type of verb? Tell me. These are two verbs are there. Regular and irregular verbs are. You consider regular and irregular. So these are what type of, what kind of verbs? Tell me. Regular or irregular? These are regular. These are called what? Regular. Okay. So let's next see. She will have danced very well. She will have danced very well. Here danced, that is V3, V1 and V2 is dance and dance. So that is also regular verb. Let's see next. We shall have come here. Come, came, come. So here come, came, come again. So this is what type of verb? Regular or irregular? It is what type of verb? Tell me. Yes, it is a irregular. It is a irregular. Irregular doesn't have specific pattern, but regular verbs has a specific pattern. Is it understand? Okay, let us see next. Ramu will have lunch. Ramu will have lunch. Lunch. It is also what type of verb? Irregular. Lunch, lunch. Okay, learn, learn, lunch. Is it understand? Okay, let us see next. Negative. Here, negative. In past, sorry, future perfect. Let's see negative. Subject, shall or will, then not V3. Okay. Where is the have? Have left, not have. Have, then V3. Okay. Example, subject, shall or will, the not is there, have and V3. Okay. So look at the example. Tanu will not have. Tanu will not have collected Tanu will not have collected. Then Pune will not have ring V3 water. Ring V3, tell me. Ring it is V1. ಅದೇ ತರನಾಗಿ V3 ಯಾವ್ದಿದು? Ring, rank, ring, rank, then rung. Is it understand? So here what you have to write here? Ring, rank, rung. What you have to write? In 3, which word you have to taken? Yes, third one. Rung the bell. Rung the bell. Then third one. Mahesh will not have knocked of the door. Of the door. See here. Kiran will not have taken my pencil. See here, all these are negative sentence. All these are negative in future perfect. Negative sentence ಎದರಲ್ಲಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ future perfect ಒಳಗೆ. So interrogative. Next is interrogative. Let's see what is the formula of negative. Sorry, interrogative. Shall or will, then subject, then have, then will, then question mark. Okay. It is the formula of interrogative. Shall or will, then subject is the have, then will. Example, look at the example. Shall I have? Shall I have made a kite? Shall I have made a kite? Then will he have climbed mountain? Then third one, will she have distributed the papers? So here these examples to the interrogative in future perfect. Is it understand? Shall I go further? Okay, then the next what is that? Future perfect continuous. Last sentence is future perfect continuous. Future perfect continuous. Let us see future perfect continuous. Yaudinge the future perfect continuous. So definition tore. Look at the definition. Nodre, some action will have been in progress in future What is the definition here? Here is the definition. Some action will have been in progress in the future. So let us see what is the formula. Subject shall or will, then have, then been, B1 plus ing. Okay. Subject shall or will, then have is there, then been, B1, ing. So look at the examples. Akash will have been. Akash will have been telling a story. Akash will have been telling a story. Then Sahana will have been. Sahana will have been singing. Sahana will have been singing. Then Ramu will have been drinking. So these 5 examples, sorry, 3 examples are here. These 3 examples to the future perfect continuous. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ? ಏನಪ್ಪ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಗೆ ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್? ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್. Okay, let us see negative. So let us see what is negative. Subject shall or will, then not, have, been, B1 plus ing. Okay, is it understand? Subject shall or will, then not is there, then have, been, B1 plus ing. Is it understand? Let us see some examples to the negative in future perfect continuous. Okay, I shall not have been. I shall not have been. Tell me what? Making a doll. Making a doll. Okay, then second example. We shall not have been. Not have been. Teaching them. Teaching them. Then third example. He will not have been. Opening is shop. Opening is shop. Then fourth one. Suresh will not have been. Have been listening word. So here ಏನಪ್ಪಾ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇವು 4 ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ ಕೂಡ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಗೆ ಸಂಬಂಧಪಟ್ಟಿದ್ದು. All these are example to the negative in future perfect continuous. Is it understand? Let us see interrogative in future perfect continuous. interrogative. Shall or will, then subject, have, then been, V1 plus ing, then question mark. Okay. What is the formula here? Initially helping verbs we have to use. That's like we used here. Shall or will, subject, have, been, V1, then ing. After that question mark. Okay. Let us see example. Shall I have been? Shall have I been? Okay. Shall I have been drinking milk? Drinking milk. Will she have been writing? Double T I N G na? Yes. Writing a novel. Then third one. Will they have been? Will they have been searching? Repeat. Okay. See here. Is it understand? These are example to the interrogative in future perfect continuous. Is it understand? Okay, fine. So now you do one thing. What are the examples I give you? Those examples change into future perfect and future perfect continuous. Is it understand? What example I give you? Those examples you change into what? Future perfect and future perfect continuous. Does it understand? Okay. Homework. First example. Sita sings a song. Ramu drinks Pepsi. Third one. Mahesh wrote an essay. Then fourth one. Let's take fourth one. Madhu reads a novel. Kiran plants a tree. See here, these five examples. Sorry, five examples. Yes, of course. These five examples. What you to do? What you want to do? These five examples change into future perfect and then future perfect continuous. Does it understand what you want to do? These five examples change into future perfect and future perfect continuous. Is it understand? One more thing. ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅನ್ನೋದು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಉದಾಹರಣೆಗಳನ್ನು ಎಕ್ಸಾಂಪಲ್ಸ್ಗಳನ್ನು ನೀವೇನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಮತ್ತು ಫ್ಯೂಚರ್ ಪರ್ಫೆಕ್ಟ್ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ನಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ನೀವು ಬದಲಾಯಿಸಬೇಕು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಏನು ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಚೇಂಜ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಇಸ್ ಇಟ್ ಅಂಡರ್ಸ್ಟ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಐ ಹೋಪ್ ಯು ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದಿ ಪಾಯಿಂಟ್ okay students see you in the next class with the new chapter okay